In this video, I am going to show you how to install Rapid Streams on your Android TV. First, ensure that your Android TV is connected to the internet and powered on. From the home screen, navigate to the Settings gear icon, usually found in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select Device Preferences. From there, go to Security and Restrictions. Make sure that the option for Unknown Sources is enabled for the App Store you'll be using, such as Downloader or File Manager. This setting allows you to install apps that are not available in the Google Play Store. Now, return to the home screen and search for the Downloader app in the Google Play Store. If you haven't installed it yet, download it. The Downloader app will help you download the Rapid Streamz APK. Once you have the Downloader app installed, open it and enter the official download link for the Rapid Streamz APK in the URL field. You can typically find this link on the official Rapid Streamz website or trusted forums. Click Go to start downloading the APK file. After the download is complete, you'll see the installation prompt. Click Install to begin installing Rapid Streamz on your Android TV. Once the installation is finished, you can choose to delete the APK file to free up storage space. Finally, return to the home screen, and you should find Rapid Streamz in your apps list. Launch the app, and you can start enjoying a wide variety of live TV channels and shows. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.